Welcome to our very first episode of RMXP TV. Today we're going to talk about goals. You know, a friend of mine shared with me last week that 92% of New Year's resolutions set just a short 39 days ago have already been broken. You know, a resolution is actually many times a goal. Things like, I'm going to go hiking 3 times a week, or run a marathon, or take a certain trip. Because they are tied to a specific achievement, they are goals. Whereas resolution is an ongoing, long-term effect that you want to have on your life. So today we're going to talk about goals in real estate and 5 elements that make for the most successful goals. Everybody knows that goals need to be SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. Once you wrap all of those things around your goals, there becomes a blueprint for success. What I find in real estate is sometimes agents without goals fall into what I would call traps. They lack productivity. They're frustrated. They don't know where their next paycheck is coming from. So I'm going to encourage you to pick 3 goals, follow the rules of the SMART goals, which you can find many resources online, and then once you've done your research online, and you've picked 2 or 3 SMART goals that are, remember, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-sensitive, then it's time to get to action. It's time to hop into that productivity mode. One method that agents that I've worked with have found successful is a 30 days to dollar worksheet, which you can download by clicking the link below. The 30 days to dollar worksheet can be changed and modified to your needs, but it'll give you some basic things. The key is that each week you set a goal and then you track and measure that goal. It can be number of conversations that you want to have, number of additions to your database, open houses, or various networking events that you are committed to attending so that you can increase your sphere of influence. If you do a 30 days to dollar worksheet for at least 3 months, I'm sure you'll see a measurable result difference in your business, your productivity, and your career. Together, we're going to raise the bar in real estate. Thank you for enjoying this episode of RMXP TV.